Wix versus Webflow, which one should you choose to build the website? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving into a comparison between two leading website building platforms, which is Wix and Webflow. And to create an account to any of these platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you will also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a popular cloud-based website building platform that allows users to create professional-looking websites without the need for coding skills, in which it provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface along with a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible for individuals and businesses alike to build their online presence. On the other hand, Webflow is a professional website building platform that empowers users to design, build, and launch responsive websites visually without the need to write a code, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of tools for web design, prototyping, and hosting, catering to designers, developers, and businesses seeking to complete control over their web projects. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Wix and Webflow. So let's start by knowing the feature comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table, in terms of ease of use feature, Wix offers beginner-friendly drag-and-drop interface, while Webflow also beginner-friendly but requires some learning curve for advanced features. And in terms of design flexibility, Wix offers templates with limited customization, while Webflow offers highly customizable, allows for intricate designs with extensive control over layout and styling. And in terms of responsiveness, Wix offers limited control over responsiveness, while Webflow offers full control over responsiveness. Designs adapt well to various screen sizes. And also in terms of custom code, Wix has limited support for custom code, while Webflow allows extensive use of custom code and integrations. And now in terms of hosting feature, Wix offers hosting included in plans, while Webflow hosting included but also allows for exporting sites to other hosts. Now moving on to pricing comparison, in terms of pre-plan, Wix offers limited features included in Wix branding, while Webflow offers limited features Webflow branding. And in terms of connect domain, Wix offers $4.5 per month for annual plan, while Webflow is not available. In terms of Pro plan, Wix starts at $23 per month, while Webflow offers $35 per month, which is billed annually. While in terms of VIP, Wix starts at $39 per month, while Webflow offers $42 per month, which is billed annually. While in terms of business basic plan, Wix offers $23 per month for annual plan, while Webflow offers $36 per month, which is billed annually. And now in terms of business unlimited, Wix offers $27 per month, which is annual plan, while Webflow offers $74 per month, which is also billed annually. Now moving on to ease of use comparison of both platforms. As you can see on this table, in terms of user interface, Wix offers beginner-friendly drag-and-drop interface, while Webflow is a beginner-friendly but requires some learning curve for advanced features. Now in terms of learning curve, Wix has minimal learning curve or intuitive UI, while Webflow has a slightly steeper learning curve due to more advanced features and customization options. And in terms of template selection, Wix offers a wide range of pre-designed templates to various industries and purposes, while Webflow offers templates available but customization requires familiarity with the platform. Now moving on to performance comparison, as you can see on this table, in terms of loading speed, Wix is generally good loading speed for website created with Wix, while Webflow is generally fast due to efficient code output and optimized hosting. Now in terms of mobile optimization, Wix is automatically optimized for mobile devices, but customization options may be limited, while Webflow offers extensive control over mobile optimization, allowing for custom layouts and responsive design. And also in terms of scalability, Wix is suitable for small to medium-sized websites and businesses, while Webflow is suitable for a wide range of websites, including large-scale projects with complex requirements. Now moving on to pros and cons of both platforms, starting to Wix. Its pros is that it has user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, wide range of templates for various industries, robust e-commerce capabilities, scalable hosting infrastructures, extensive customer support and resources. While the cons of using Wix is that it has limited customization options for advanced users and might experience limitations in design flexibility, and also the dependency on Wix proprietary platform for hosting and updates. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Webflow. Its pros is that it has highly customizable with advanced design and layout control, and it offers comprehensive responsive design options, powerful CMS and e-commerce capabilities that allows for extensive custom code integration and control, with excellent for design agencies and developers looking for flexibility. However, the cons of using Webflow is that it has a steeper learning curve compared to Wix, and limited customer support options, with higher pricing tiers that may be costly for some users, and it may require more time for initial setup and learning the platform. But the question is, who should choose Wix? Well, Wix is an option for individuals and small to size businesses looking for an easy-to-use website building platform. Beginners who are new to designing website will find Wix drag-and-drop editor and wide range of design templates very user-friendly. Moreover, businesses with no, how, or time constraints can take advantage of Wix's simple customization features and excellent customer support. Wix is also suitable for those who prioritize affordability and simplicity over design options and customization features. But what about Webflow? Who should choose Webflow? Well, Webflow is most suitable for designers, developers, and agencies who value having control over design, customization options, and advanced features when building websites. It's perfect for individuals looking to unleash their freedom and ready to dedicate time to mastering the platform to make the most of its wide range of capabilities. With its design functionalities, Webflow enables users to craft distinctive and visually appealing websites that cater perfectly to their requirements and tastes. Now moving on to user reviews, starting to reviews of Wix. Positive user reviews praise Wix for its user-friendly interface and ease of use, and many users appreciate the wide range of templates available, allowing for quick website creation. And users highlight Wix all-in-one platform including hosting and domain services as convenient, while some negative reviews mention limitations in design flexibility compared to more advanced platforms, while others note occasional performance issues, especially with complex websites. While the user reviews of Webflow, positive reviews commend Webflow for its extensive design control and customization options. Users appreciate the platform's powerful features including custom code integration and responsive design capabilities, and many users find Webflow ideal for creating unique and visually stunning websites tailored to their specific needs. While some negative reviews mention a steep learning curve, especially for beginners, while others highlight the higher pricing compared to more basic website builder like Wix. And now in conclusion, or in summary, when comparing Wix and Webflow, there are advantages and factors to consider for individuals looking for website building solutions. Wix is ideal for beginners and small businesses due to its easy-to-use interface, wide range of templates, and all-in-one platform that simplifies the process of setting up a website. On the other hand, Webflow caters to designers, developers, and agencies who seek customization features and control over design. Its robust functionalities, such as custom code integration and responsive design tools, enable users to craft unique and visually appealing websites tailored to their needs. However, the higher cost of Webflow and its steep learning curve might discourage some users and those with technical knowledge. But ultimately, the decision between Wix and Webflow hinges on requirements and preferences, whether valuing user-friendliness and convenience or design versatility and customization options. So that is just a comparison review between Wix and Webflow. Thank you.